So Zebu symbol was invented by Devi. Devi was the one, she was a healer. She was a Reiki healer. So she was just sitting into the meditation. And once she was sitting into the meditations, so she start observing some unique, symbols. They start coming into her thoughts. She was just doing the meditation. So, but this unique symbols start coming into her thoughts, and she saw that, angels were there and they wanted to communicate with her. So, and these symbols, the angel has given to her. All these 88 symbols which we are talking about, going to learn, these has been given by the angels only. So she saw that angels, and then after that, she started using all this symbol in her daily life. So in her daily life, when she started using that, then she saw a lot of difference has started coming, which is in related to the health, relationship, and many health also, relationship also, and many other areas of career also. She has started observing all that. And once it changed her life, then she introduced it to the world. Like she started, just like this, she started introducing that symbols to the world, to the therapist. And then this therapist, they started using this symbols. Just a sec. So once she started using all this symbol, then she introduced it to the healers and as well as therapist also. And when the therapist and healers, they started using all these symbols, then they get the benefit, and then it comes to us as we are the just general people. Then it was introduced to us, and after that, so we also start getting the benefit, and that is the reason it is really common right now, and it is very effective. Every people know about it, and it is very famous because it is very effective, and as well as it is very easy to use also. So that is the reason they are so much popular right now. So they are popular because they are very easy to use, and secondly, they are highly effective. Okay. Now we need to understand that how Zebu symbol can be used by whom. As Zebu symbol, they can used by, especially it can used by us. That is for sure. We can also use it. Even every age group can use it. But specifically, if we spoke about, we wanted to see that who else can use these Zebu symbols. So I have just mentioned that also. Doctors, they can use the Zebu symbol because they are just interacting with the patients on daily basis. They wanted to understand what are the problems they are going through, isn't it? Because they wanted to have the clarity also. So that is the reason they can use this Zebu symbol. Just a sec. I just forgot. My voice is audible to you, I hope.
Yeah, comfortable.
So I just wanted to tell you how Zebu symbols, they can be used by all these professionals. That is what I was just telling you. It is used by these doctors. Doctors can use them. They can use for their to enhance their skills, to enhance, to have more clarity about all those patients. Also, to understand what the disease they are going through. So that is how it helps to the doctors also. They just paste on their walls, so that whatever patient is coming in their clinic, they also feel good while they are entering into that their clinic. Therapists can also use it just to enhance their healing. Even the teachers can also use it. They in the classroom, they have to particular need some more of the ideas. They every day they want some ideas that how they need to teach their students also. So that is also important for them to understand it, to just use it. That also helps, these impossible, that also helps them. Spiritual, who are into this spirituality, who are doing the prayers, who are doing the reiki, every meditation, they can also use this Zebu symbol because it will always enhance their power by using all these Zebu symbols. So they can use in the prayer, if they are sitting into the prayer room, if they will draw the symbol over there, then they can connect more to the god, and this is really correct. This is actually useful. In that case, you can also see, once you're doing that in the further process, you can just see the difference also. Okay, so it is basically to enhance the power. Personal growth is there, as I'm telling you, it is for the personal growth. Maybe it is can help you in the career also, relationship also, money wise also, your health wise also. So in 4 areas of life you can get you may feel कि ये आपके उस area of life में भी आपको help कर रहा है. It can also have a good bonding with your children as well. ठीक है, so that is also there. So now, as you have, I don't know because you have done some tapping techniques or you know about some acupressure techniques or not, but those who have done the acupressure techniques, who are using EFT, who are doing acupressure, so for them also this Zebu symbol is very useful. What they can do, they can just take a paper or they can just draw it on the Zebu symbol on their paper, and they can just touch over here. And these all these acupressure points, you might not be knowing for this, but just I'm telling because some of the people, they are doing the tapping techniques, so they can help them to also enhance that that power also. So you can place those symbols on these acupressure points. All right. So now Zebu symbols can be used in various places where exactly you can use it at the home. You can, wherever you are sitting, maybe you're sitting in your bedroom with your spouse, there you can draw the Zebu symbol. You may have the harmony into that room. Your daughter or your son, it is just sitting into some other room. You want them to be focused while they're studying. Okay, then accordingly, you can just draw those symbols or in their room. You can just paste it to the wall. On the wall you can just paste, you can just paste, just draw into their books also. Okay, even the guests who are coming in your guest room, there you also want some positivity should be there, so you can draw those symbols into your guest room as well. Okay, now this is as I talk about the classroom, but you can draw in the classroom also, workplaces also. As I am working, I can do that I can draw in my laptop, I can draw in my notebook, I can draw, whatever pen I'm using. Even you can also do that. So it will help me whatever, if whatever object is there in your workplace, you can just stick that symbol, or you can use that symbol there only. Even you are going for an interview, for an example, you are going for an interview, then also you can carry that symbol along with you. So that is also very beneficial. Now, what very important it is, because I think you guys might be doing every day, you might be writing general in the morning. You might be writing affirmations in the morning. Here it is very, very effective. Once you are doing that, you can start. First of all, you need to draw that symbol, and then you need to write your affirmation. Then you see the result, how you are going to get the benefit with this, because you are connecting with the angels, your gratitude, you are doing gratitude, you are sending the gratitude to them and using that symbol. It is doing wonders in that case. Second is that if you are into the candle magic, or you are doing the spells, or if you are doing the bay leaf spell, then also you can use it when you are bathing also, then you can use it. You can, even if you are just making with the fingers in the air, then also you'll get the benefit out of that. Now, if for birthday gifts also, you can just draw that symbol to that symbol in your birthday gift also. मतलब जो भी आप उनका gift wrap है, उसपे भी आप उसको stick कर सकते हो, and you can give to somebody else. So they will have the positive vibes also. For the wedding purpose also, couples ko bhi you can give them, so that because they are going to start a new journey. So you are giving a blessings to them, and there's a blessing symbol as well. Okay, now create the jewelry. You can also create the jewelry out of that. You can wear the jewelry also. There's a lot of ways in which you can use this symbol. Okay, now ways of using the symbol. First of all is the water charging technique. Every day, whenever you are, because 70% water is there in our body. And if we'll heal our body with all these symbols, whatever negative emotions we have, that will be healed. And these all the charging will convert our negative emotions to the positivity. Suppose we have an anger issues and we'll make all these symbols into the water, then we'll become more peaceful also. And it is there because you are filling your body with all these symbols, and that is through the water technique. So you will become more peaceful, you will become more lovable. That is how. Okay. And just I'm stopping this session over here. Just a sec. So are you understanding, Vali ji, Pavitra ji, and Ranjita ji? Some is
Yeah,
clear to
Vandana, I'm
you.
getting it.
You are getting right now. Everything is
Yeah,
clear.
yeah.
It is not
Yeah,
becoming
it's
boring
clear.
because it is all the theory part is there. So it is very
Yeah,
important
yeah.
part. What happened?
No
No,
problem.
I am telling
Comfortable,
this.
yeah.
Yeah, because in case you won't be knowing exactly where to use those symbols, you will be lost after that. This is a very important session to understand how it is useful, to whom it is useful. Because once you will just start, making your own symbol, then you will start getting confused. अरे कहाँ बनाना है, क्या करना है, कैसा नहीं करना. तो वो इसके लिए आज का सेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो ये पहला सेशन थ्योरी पार्ट है. देन यू विल बी स्टार्ट यूजिंग दो सिंबल. देन यू मे अंडरस्टैंड एकदम. यू विल हैव आपके माइंड में आएगा कहाँ यूज करना है. सॉरी. So hope it is clear. Okay. So that you have to keep in your mind. So where to use all these symbols. Well, ways of using the symbol, water, as we told you, water charging method. Also, आपके whatever your daughter, your son, your kids are there, just charge the water with that symbols. Whatever intention you're putting, just do it. See the results. Then draw the symbol imaginary on the air with your two fingers. Do it. Okay, and you can do it on the heart chakra. In case you are giving some health, somebody you want to send the health healing, then just draw on the health, on the heart. Just draw that symbol with these two fingers. Okay, now physically also you can take one paper, and this is a very good method. Just physically you can just take one paper and just draw that symbol and stick over the walls also. That is the third method which we have already spoken about. In the bedroom you can do it, in the guest room, all that. Sleep programming with the symbols. You can just draw the symbol and you can sleep. You can put it under the pillow, and it's doing, because at that time your subconscious mind is working. Once you are sleeping, it start working. So it will start taking all those positive vibes, and you'll see the difference that way. Okay, now drawing it on the left hand here. Just draw left palm here. You see, I have also drawn here on my hand. Can you see that? This is the abundance symbol I have drawn. So you can also draw here on your left palm to see the result, because left palm, it is supposed to receive, it's said to that we receive it from the universe. So that is how, Now you can draw through the third eye also. That is of through the mind, because sometimes it happens the people are sitting in front of us and we feel not comfortable in drawing the symbol in front of them. Then with the third eye, we can do that. This all comes into with the practice. Okay, now what are the benefits which you are getting out of that? First of all, it is just programming your subconscious mind. Whatever negativity you have, you maybe have a negativity since your childhood also. A lot of belief systems is there. Because of that, you are not getting a growth in your life. That thing is in your mind. But if you'll start doing all these processes, every negative thought will go out from your mind, and it will just program it into the positive way. Okay, so that will give you that, improve your relationship with the people. That four areas I told you: relationship, career, health, money. Every benefit you can get after using this 88 symbols according to your own need. It is not mandatory that you have to use all those 88 symbols. But yes, you should know what all these 88 symbols are going to give you the benefit. According to your own issue, you can choose that symbol and you can start using it in your daily, life. That is what. Now it will give you abundance also, because we have an abundance symbol also. Inner peace you will feel because you have everything in your life. You have the solution. So obviously you have the inner peace and happiness. The important thing you need to know here: no attunement is required. In the Reiki, attunement is must, but for Simbu symbol, there is no such attunement. You can use it directly, but use, and it also balances your chakras also, that we'll be learning into the coming sessions. It will purify your aura because you or all negativity will be clean, and your aura will get purified also. Okay. So next part is intention, which is really, whenever we do all these processes, the intention is must. When you start the process, you are drawing every symbol and you're not putting the intention for that. So it will not work. You have to put the intention for everything to work on, and what intention you are putting, you will see the result is coming to you that way only. So your thoughts really matters in that case. It will be activating because of your own thoughts. Symbols will start activating once you just put your thoughts, you put your intention, and then you start working with them. Okay, so that is how it works. So, all right. So that is what into this session. And I'm just, stop sharing now.